the people that I have on my side that we are working with. So kuzosebenzeka kubona ikhambi kanjani phambili. Kodwa ngizothanda nje ukuthi ngibuye ngigcizelele and emphasize the emphasis on emphasizing, to emphasize that we are also emphasizing that I am very much happy. I could have not, no, would have not done it without you people. Hey, what a wow, South Africa. It is a wow to be here. Yeah, 5 April, homecoming. Enquthu enzala abantu belawashokobezi. Lokhuzana, yeah. Izobe senquthu, it's gonna be enquthu in KZN. Ngithi uyabona manje. Asakundi manje lapha okwamanje. Ngiyadlala ufuna ukugula. Khuleka. I got you. Siyabonga. Uyangibamba kanjani? Hayi, lalela nonke Botswana. We see you. I see you. Benita nginiboni. Kuyalibona. Nelana phela we. Hakili sheba kinawo. Kama hloka phela sheba kinawo. I'm here. Hey, mad. Yes, Swaziland. All over the world. National. Swaziland, I see you people. And I love you very much. You hold me how? Me alone. Me alone. Good one like that. What are you saying? Lokhuzana have afro like me. How could it? Hello, South Africa. It's nice. Okay. Zimbabwe. Listen, I was taught Hunyora Zvakanada. Shona. I know what it is. Mafumo. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Hunyora Zvakanada. But I know what it doesn't connect with whatever I'm saying. I know what it means. You must go right nicely. But that's the only thing I can say. Mozambique. What's happening in this world? I love you, everyone. Kahle. Yeah, everyone. Hey, this is love, Mose. Yes. Siyabonga. Thank you, my people. Madoda. Cha siyabonga. Siyabonga mpela. Hey. Ngiyayibona President's house. Hayi. Khululeka. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Yes. Kushebile. Hey, mugiyakushuka. Here we are going higher. We are shooting for the stars. Actually, we are shooting for the galaxy. 11K, 11.4. Kodwa bakwethu. What could I have done? So much love. Wow. Just a boy from Lokhuzaneni kambe kuphi. Just a boy from Enquthu enzala abantu labashokobezi. I truly love you. There's even Tanzania. I know ukuthi I can't Lokhuza speak Swahili, but I know ukuthi there's Mutoto. Niphe Broso. Kambe kuthiwa. There's a song I know, yes. But it's fine. I can't sing it. But I know ukuthi Niphe Broso Mutoto, which is a child. Niphe Broso, give me my brush as I'm the baba, It's very nice. Hi. Hey madoda 12K.1. Hayi ngeke. Hayi no. This is too much. Ngiyadlala. Hey madoda. Kunjani mako nje? Nigeria. Nigeria. What can I say? Osofia. Hi. Osofia. Hey, son. Okay. Utiwan, what are you saying? Gengi gang. Gengi gang. Okay. Yavela ngena ku13. Wow. Kodwa people I truly lokuzana. I'm truly blessed and anointed. Hi. Gochi. Ngiyadlala people singaze siyimoshe. I'm truly lokuzana grateful and thankful to everyone who voted and who still rooting for me to do good. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. So kodwa asishiye seyivale bakwethu imali ukukhathala wona kuningi kodwa nina I will never be tired of you because you never got tired of me. It's a us thing. We are here. But yeah, ake seyivale bakwethu. Wait a man. I see you people. Yeah, no, thank you bafowethu. See you when I see you, but very soon. Very soon.